Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancer. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, okay. Six of Pentacles. Cancer, with these cards, I feel someone is coming over to see you with gifts, maybe a friend or your person. You have a very good connection with them, okay? You are very friendly, you have a good understanding between yourselves, and you feel you can take any liberty with this person, and you feel secure with them, but there is some kind of sadness in your heart regarding something. You have certain doubts about them, okay? Maybe or you are feeling sad regarding some situation, maybe, and someone is coming over to counsel you guys. So that is the energy here, and they may be bringing you gifts to make you feel better. So that is the energy here, Cancer. Maybe in your work you are feeling what to say, embarrassed uh, for some things that has happened, and your colleagues or people who work with you, they are trying to help you out, come out of it, come out of the negative energy. So that is the energy here, Cancer. So maybe for some of you all, friends are coming over with gifts to see you after a long time. So that is also the energy here. Let me pick out three more cards from the other deck, Cancer. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, Cancer. With these cards, I feel you are facing few challenges right now regarding your choices, whatever you have made. This may be in your work on or regarding your person. You have few doubts about them. Uh, you feel they are cheating you. They are seeing someone, some kind of uh, third party situation. Maybe they are seeing somebody behind your back, okay, and you're feeling bored and abused. What to say, you have this a recurring feeling, like sometimes you overcome the doubt and you begin to trust them, then again some behavior of theirs puts you back to the same situation, like makes you doubt their behavior. So that is the energy here, Cancer. You are not coming out of the doubt. uh, you are not clear, you don't have the clarity in your situation. So uh, the choices you have made, guys, are not giving you clarity, okay? So I think it is time for you to ask them what is in their minds, and once you realize whatever action you're taking or steps you're taking is leading you to a dead end, you can just what to say, take a different approach to this problem. So that is the energy here I'm getting here, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you're into some kind of sports activity, something which you are following strictly in a particular routine, okay, doing it every day, practicing, and you're feeling and you're up to few challenges in that. So that may also be the energy here, guys. You're feeling your abilities are limited and you have to overcome it in that situation, or in your sports practice, something regarding with sports. Okay, that may also be the energy here, Cancer. So you have to accept what it is and see the truth for itself, guys. Maybe this person you're with, they have their own agenda and they are treating you friendly or gifting you just to make use of you for something, okay. And but you have this great attraction and you feel charmed with them, but you have to understand the situation, guys. They are just trying to use you to reach their ambition, so you have to be very much uh, vigilant about this person. Be aware of their motives, okay, behind the words whatever they speak. So you should be able to see the truth behind their words. That is the energy here, Cancer. Maybe this person has a third, there may be a third party involved, so you have serious doubts about this person, guys. Let me pick out one more card from this other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Speak from the heart. Cancer, with this card I feel you need to put forward what you think in yourself to your person, okay, whoever it is in the situation. You need to tell them how you feel about your doubts, and you can talk to them. You don't have to confront them spontaneously and blurt out everything. You just need to be soft spoken. You can talk to them with love and make them understand your situation. Communicate with them in a, what to say, kind manner. That way you won't offend their feelings and they can come out with the truth. Once you do that, you will get the solution to this issue, guys. So that is the energy, Cancer. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancer.